Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock ZTE Blade A36 without password. Okay, but before we begin, we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and basically we will lose all of our data, because that's what factory reset does. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen log. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it. But we also have the second option, and it is logging in into the Google account into which we are logged in before the reset. That's our confirmation method that we need to perform. Okay, now let me show you how to do it. As you can see, my device is locked. I cannot remember my pattern and what to do. We need to power off our device. Click on power button, hold it for like 1 second, and then select power off. Okay, now to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button until we see the ZTE logo. When it appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. Okay, now release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up, and now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. We need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button, and now select factory data reset. Confirm. The process has now started. Okay, data wipe complete. Now select reboot system now. Confirm by clicking the power button, and now we just need to wait until our device turns on. And the next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.